Step into the night, it's snowy, it's deep. Eyes glow sharp where the shadows creep. Hooded cats prowling, silent and sleek. In the frozen darkness, they don't sleep.
Whiskers twitch, paws grip the snow. Eyes wide open, they in control. Hoods pulled tight, axe in hand. Felines rolling deep like a fearsome band. Silent warriors, cloaks in black, creeping through the frost, ready to attack. Paws raised high, ain't no turning back. Cats rule the night, that's a fact.
Hooded felines, eyes like fire. Under the moon, climbing higher. Axes raised, watch them stride. Silent assassins, side by side.